committing to being in your body and in the present moment for the next 20 minutes. Spending the next 20 minutes experiencing your wholeness. Assuming a comfortable position on your back, or in whatever position or posture is comfortable if lying on your back is not comfortable. It's really your sensitivity and level of attention, and not your position, that is important. So, lying on a rug, or a mat, or on your bed, allowing your eyes to close gently, letting your arms lie alongside your body, palms open towards the ceiling, if that feels comfortable, and allowing the feet to fall away from each other. And possibly feeling a sense of relief that we have set aside this time for ourselves, to nurture ourselves, to assume an active role in improving our well-being. During this meditation, it is best if you can manage to stay awake throughout the tape. It's also best to do it in a warm and protected place in which you feel comfortable and where you will not be disturbed. And now bringing your attention to the fact that you are breathing, not manipulating your breath in any way, but just breathing. Experiencing the air as it moves in and out of the belly. Experiencing the body as it makes contact with the floor. Feeling the body sink into the floor with every breath as you let go. Riding the waves of your breath at the belly. And now when you feel ready, shifting your attention down your leg to the toes of your left foot. Just taking your mind from your belly and moving it to the end of the foot and becoming aware of whatever the feelings and sensations are in your toes. And now coming to focus on the bottom of your feet and the heels, that place where your heel is making contact on the floor, and just feeling the sense of touch and pressure, and breathing into your left heel, and breathing out of your left heel, and then just letting it go. And now becoming aware of the top of your foot and whatever feelings or lack of feelings you are experiencing in that area. Just being with your foot, breathing into your foot and breathing out of the foot, and then just letting it go. And now moving your awareness to the ankle, breathing into it and breathing out of it. And whenever you're ready, and on the out-breath, just letting go of the ankle. Relaxing into the stillness. And now becoming aware of the lower leg. Being aware of the skin on the front of the leg and the calf in the back. Being aware of any sensations in the lower leg, both on the surface and deep into the bones. And breathing into this region. And then on the out-breath, letting it go. And as you relax, sinking ever deeper into the floor. And now letting your focus move up to your knee, feeling your knee, your kneecap, breathing with it And whenever you're ready, on an out breath, letting it dissolve. And moving to the area of the thigh, above the knee and all the way up to the groin and the hip. Checking to see if there's any tension as you move through this region. And if you find any tension, just letting it go. Softening and relaxing. Breathing with your thigh. And when you are ready, taking a deeper breath into the thigh and then letting it dissolve on the out breath. It's as if our body were outlined on the blackboard, and as we let go of an area, we are erasing that part. Now moving over and down to the end of the right leg, and moving our attention to the area of the right toes, and feeling the sensations or lack of sensations in the toes. The big toe, the little toe, and the toes in between. Directing the in-breath down into the toes, and on the out-breath, letting the breath come up from the toes and then letting them go. And now moving our attention to the bottom of the foot and the heel, breathing into this area and breathing out. And now moving our attention again to the top of the foot and the ankle, breathing into the ankle, and on an out breath, letting go of the ankle. And now moving into the lower leg, feeling all the sensations or lack of sensations in the lower leg, and moving up to the right knee, that knee that has carried us for so many miles, feeling any sensations or lack of sensations in the knee. And then moving our awareness to the right thigh, relaxing the thigh, relaxing into the mat. If at any time during this body scan you notice any intense or unpleasant sensations in one area of your body, you may take your awareness there, breathing around the area of discomfort or gently breathing into it, softening it, just being with it, giving it permission to relax, knowing that you are not your pain. You may remain in this area for as long as you wish, staying in touch with your breath, exploring the sensations. And now moving our awareness to the pelvis, that area from one hip to the other. Feeling your buttocks, being aware of where they come in contact on the floor. Feeling the sensations of weight and contact. Being aware of the region of your genitals, feeling any sensations or lack of sensations. And now moving your awareness to the hips themselves. Breathing with the entirety of the pelvis. And when you are ready, directing the in-breath down into the pelvis, and as you breathe out, letting the pelvis release any tension, and sinking deeper into a state of relaxation, totally present in each moment, content to be just as you are. And now moving our attention to the lower back, just experiencing any sensation that we feel in that area. Experiencing the back as it is, letting the breath penetrate every area. And when ready, letting go of the lower back and moving into the region of the upper back and feeling any sensations in that area. Feeling the rib cage and back expand with the breath. Feeling for any tension or tightness. letting this area just dissolve with the out-breath and sink even deeper into relaxation and stillness. And now allowing your attention to move to the belly. Experience the belly rising and falling, rising and falling. And now moving your awareness to the chest and the diaphragm, feeling the chest expand on the in-breath and contract on the out-breath, feeling the pulsations of your heart and feeling your lungs expanding. And now feeling the entirety of the front of your body. And on an out-breath, let this part of your body dissolve as well. And now when you're ready, moving your attention into your fingertips. And we'll do both hands and arms at the same time, together. So just feeling your fingers, the insides and the backs, and right out to the tips. And then let your awareness extend to the palms of the hands, and the backs of the hands, and the wrists, and becoming aware of the forearms and the elbows. And now the upper arms, the armpits, and the shoulders. Just experience the sensations in this area. Breathe into the shoulders. Release any tension on the out-breath. And now letting go of both arms, all the way from the fingertips to the shoulders. Sinking deeper into deep relaxation. Just being present, moment to moment. Letting go of any thoughts that come up. And now moving our attention to the neck, to the back of the neck and the spine, and to the throat. Breathing down into the neck and letting it go on the out-breath. And now becoming aware of the face, focusing first on the jaw and the chin, experiencing any sensations that you find in this region. Relaxing the jaw, relaxing the chin, breathing into this region and letting it dissolve on the out-breath. And now moving our attention to the lips and the mouth and the teeth and the gums and the tongue. Just breathing with this region and on an out-breath letting it dissolve. And now feeling the nose and moving to the eyes. Feeling the entire region around the eyes, including the eye sockets. Checking for any sensations or tension around the eyes. And now moving to the sides of the face and the temples. And now moving to the ears, breathing into your ears and out of your ears. And now moving to the forehead, breathing into the forehead, letting it soften. And now asking the face to relax, to dissolve. Breathing with the entirety of the face, dissolving into softness, into peace. And now moving to the back and the top of the head. Breathing into this region, breathing out from this region. And now moving your attention to a spot in the top of your head, an imagined blowhole. Letting your breath move from the nose to this imagined blowhole. Breathing out from this region and right back down into it. Breathing in and out of this imaginary hole in the top of the head. And now breathing from the top of the head, through the body, and out the feet. And then back in through the feet, all the way up through the body and out the top of the head. Feeling the breath move through your body. Experiencing the entire body breathing. And when you're ready, feeling the body as a whole, lying here in a state of stillness and deep relaxation. Sinking deeper into a state of well-being, a place of stillness and of peace. And as the tape comes to an end, gracefully and mindfully making a transition back into the world, and remembering that this sense of inner stillness is available to us at any time during the day. And lying here enjoying the stillness, you may want to continue this way to the end of the tape. And whenever you are ready, you may begin to move your body, wiggling your toes and your fingers, beginning to stretch your arms and your legs. Slowly. It is best to roll over on your side for a few minutes before slowly getting up.